Hi guys, the Profit Funnel workshops are back. This time it is bigger, better, and more profitable. Earlier we used to have only profitable Facebook lead funnel workshops, and what we observed is people need more. People need to understand how to make a landing page, how to run a conversion ad, how to take care of the iOS issues, how to track the conversions properly, how to automate or nurture the leads after they come, how to engage them. Then we also got questions like, okay, fine, the strategy is okay, you're telling about the ad copy, ad targeting, and all this stuff, but okay, we get stuck in the videos, we get stuck in the images. So what should we do, how should we do? So it was kind of, let's say, very small or incomplete, the previous workshops. So I do respect your feedbacks, and 250 plus people have used the previous funnels, previous workshop knowledge, and they have got benefited. They want more. So I had to prepare the content for that. I had to learn it myself first. I had to implement it, get result, see the problems I faced, see that where exactly I failed, how I overcome that, and I have collected all this information, and I'm creating a new version of the Profit Funnel workshop. So it will no more be like a profitable lead funnel workshop. It will be profitable Facebook funnel workshop, and we'll be launching it in October. So be prepared. And along with that, we have Profit Funnel University coming up. Profit Funnel University is a complete range of digital marketing training, mainly targeted for business owners, agency owners, and freelancers who can learn this skill, upskill themselves, and use it in their own business. So if you're a business owner, basically you'll be using it for your own business. If you're an agency owner, you basically use it for your agency and get better result for your client. If you're a freelancer, you serve your clients and you make more money. So it's ultimately about profit. So remember this: if there is light at the end of the tunnel, there has to be profit at the end of the funnel. All the best.